everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's letter of the alphabet challenge is L and I got 9 entries, so I'll just read them out now. Love, leopard, lemons, lime, licorice, lolly, lavender, leaf and lion. So I got a lot to pick from and I'll just go through which one to do now. Number 6, which was lolly. Yay! So I'm quite excited. It's going to be a really colourful look and let's get started.
So I'm first going to start with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And next I'm going to take my Colourpop concealer in the shade Fair 04. I'm now going to go in with my Jeffree Star Liquid Frost in the shade Frostbite. Now I'm going to set my face with my Colourpop translucent powder. Now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced blush in the shade I Will Always Love You. Just going to go in with my Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Crystal Ball. It's a nice iridescent purpley pink colour that I thought would look really nice with this look. Now I'm just going to do my eyebrows with my Colourpop eyebrow pencil in the shade Bangin' Brunette. And just over top that, I'm going to use my Colourpop eyebrow gel in the shade Clear. Today I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Equality Lip Bundle and I'm going to be starting off with the shade Queen Bee. I'm just going to start drawing this little line going up from my eye to my eyebrow. Now I'm just going to use the actual doe foot to colour the rest of that lock in. Next in the rainbow is the shade Flamethrower, which I'm going to try and do the exact same shape. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Red Run, but instead of copying the same shape, I'm going to try and create like a circular shape instead. Now going in with I'm Royalty, I'm going to be joining up the top of my eyelid down to the bottom. And for the last lipstick going on my eye, I'm going to be using the shade Blue Velvet just to use it as an eyeliner for the bottom. Instead of using the Breakfast at Tiffany's shade, I'm going to go into my Thirsty palette and mix the shades Submerge and Splash. I just did this to make it look a little bit more less blocky. Going in with the usual, I'm going to be using my Maybelline eyeliner in black. For my inner corner highlight, I'm just going to use my highlighter from my cheeks called Crystal Ball. And now I'm going to be doing my mascara, which is my Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I'm only going to be doing my top lashes instead of my lower lashes, just because I feel like the blue kind of makes my lower lash look a little bit dark and I don't want to keep adding to that. And for lipstick, I'm just going to be going in with my Equality lipstick from the same bundle I used on my eyes. And still, while my lips are kind of tacky, I'm going to be going with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade Mint Condition to give it a little bit of a metallic effect. And there we go, that's the finished look. I had so much fun recreating this lolly inspired makeup look, and I really hope you enjoyed watching it too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!